Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of tailoring, specifically focusing on how to fix common mistakes you might encounter when altering dress pants. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or a complete beginner, knowing how to correct these issues can save you time, money, and frustration. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about the hem. A hem that's too long is a common problem. The solution? Simple. You'll need to measure the desired length, mark it with pins, and then carefully cut off the excess fabric, leaving enough for a new hem. Next, fold the fabric up and press it with an iron to create a clean crease. Then, sew the hem in place, either by hand or with a sewing machine. Ensure you're using a stitch that's appropriate for the fabric type. Another frequent mistake is a too tight waistband. This can be quite uncomfortable. To fix this, you might need to release some of the seam allowance. Carefully unstitch the seam along the back or side of the waistband. If there's enough fabric, you can let it out slightly. If not, you might need to add a small fabric panel. Re-sew the seam, and voila, a slightly more comfortable fit. Now, let's tackle a too loose waistband. This is usually easier to fix than a tight one. You'll need to take in the seam allowance. Determine how much you need to take in. Then pinch the excess fabric and pin it in place. Sew a new seam along the pinned line, trimming away the excess fabric. And there you have it, a properly fitted waistband. Next, let's consider the issue of a crooked seam. This can be particularly noticeable on the side seams. The fix? You'll need to carefully unpick the seam, paying close attention to where the mistake occurred. Re-pin the fabric, ensuring the seams align properly, and then sew a new seam. Make sure to use the correct stitch type and thread color for a seamless look. Finally, let's talk about pleats. If your pleats have lost their shape or are uneven, you can repress them. Use an iron and steam, following the original pleat lines. If the pleats are damaged, you might need to re-sew them, using the existing stitching as a guide. Remember, tailoring can be a bit of a process. Take your time, measure carefully, and always double-check your work. With practice, you'll become more confident in fixing these common tailoring mistakes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more sewing tips and tricks. See you in the next video.